bagong industries ang pumapasok ngayon. Of course, tourism. I keep talking about tourism kasi yun yung focus talaga ng group namin. You know, like I said a while ago, I touched a little bit a while ago on energy or power. That industry is also growing. Infrastructure as well. Trying as well to bring in manufacturing, engineering. So I think what the government's doing now is preparing the future by inviting a lot of these new industries to come and invest in the Philippines. So that the future generation, yung mga nag-aaral ngayon, marami silang options. Marami silang pagpipilian kung saan sila pwede magtrabaho. I think that's really the legacy that that this administration is trying to achieve.